My name is Aditi Agrawal, and I'm 18 years old. I'm a student now. I live in Mumbai. And first thing I'd like to say, before coming to this IA, I wouldn't even know how I'm standing in front of 600 people with Swamiji sitting here, and I'm actually speaking. Otherwise, I would be so nervous in front of Swamiji. I would just look at him and my mouth would be shut and sealed. And right now, I'm actually talking in front of Swamiji with all confidence because I feel so much more connected to him now. And about my experience with IA, this is my second IA. And I can't even compare this IA to the first IA that I did. This one is like a complete spiritual blast, completely new experience. And it's got the third eye awakening, which is a whole new experience in its own. And especially, it's like a superpower once you get it. All different sorts of powers awaken in you. Even though for me, I have not got it completely, but I've realized that every time I get a very tough code or random letters in front of me, I get that easily. But the simple words I don't get. And but it's a really great power. I can feel that I'm getting intuitions and so many different things. Like you see the life with a different perspective. And to the youth out there, you know, who like watching all these superhero movies and superhuman movies, I would say come for this 21-day IA, become your own superhero, and go back. Yeah, and that's one thing. And I would like to share about the Shivoham process. I did not know anything about it. My mother had gone for the Cambodia IA. And the change I saw in her, when she came back, she was so calm. She didn't scream at me. She didn't shout at me for anything. And I'm like, what is wrong? Why is she not yelling at me? And then she told me that it's the Cambodia, the experience and the whole transformation she went through in Cambodia. I'm like, what is this? Now even I have to do this. Even I will feel less aggression then. And now we've done these Shivoham processes, and there was this one Shivoham process where Swamiji said that he will remove the innate violence that we feel. And that was, I think, the most powerful one for me, because after that process, during that process, I was laughing like anything, and after the process, I started crying. And I felt so empty, and after that, I felt so much love and affection and compassion towards everyone. And it went to that level that the next day when I went for yoga, and we were doing it in the lawn, you know, there were some little pieces of grass on my yoga mat, and I talked to them. I'm like, oh, you are there on my yoga mat? No problem, I will remove you. I was talking to the grass like that. I was feeling connected with everything and everyone around me. And that's the power of the Shivoham process. And to the youth, again to the youth, I'll say, you who like to spend their vacation in beach resorts and, you know, going clubbing, why don't you come for this 21-day inner awakening? This is a whole new beach resort where you will see everything and everyone and so much of connection. And the best part is you will get a master, a guru, to guide you throughout your life, to give you the right pathway to go in the correct direction and towards enlightenment. Thank you.